Welcome back again, everyone, to Foxtecc. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off the permission to download apps on your iPhone. Whether you're managing a device for a child or simply want to have more control over what gets installed on your phone, I'll guide you through the steps to manage and adjust these settings effectively. If you're looking to disable the ability to download and install apps on your iPhone, you're likely trying to control which apps can be added to the device. This can be particularly useful in situations where you want to prevent unauthorized or unnecessary app installations. Let's start by opening the settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find screen time and tap on it. If you haven't set up screen time yet, your iPhone should already allow you to download apps without restrictions. However, if you still can't download apps, the issue might be due to a different setting or restriction, so make sure to check all possibilities. Now, once you're inside the screen time settings, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. This section is where you'll find all the controls for managing what can and cannot be done on your device, including downloading apps. If you want to lift all restrictions at once, you can simply toggle off Content and Privacy Restrictions at the top of the screen. But if you prefer to keep some restrictions while re-enabling the ability to download apps, here's how you can do that. Next, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Here you'll find a few options that let you control how apps are managed on your device. Look for the Installing Apps option and tap on it. In this section, you'll see different options, and since we're already in screen time, you might want to adjust or enable other restrictions as needed. To allow app installations again, simply select Allow. This will re-enable the ability to download and install apps from the App Store, giving you or the person using the device the freedom to add new apps whenever needed. If you want to make sure these settings remain secure and unchanged, you can set a screen time passcode. This passcode will prevent anyone else from altering the settings without your permission. It's a useful tool, especially if you're managing a device for a child or someone else who needs oversight. And that's it. With these steps, you've now successfully adjusted the settings to either allow or restrict the downloading of apps on your iPhone. Whether you're re-enabling the ability to download apps or securing the device, these settings give you full control over your iPhone's app management. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. See you guys later.